On Friday, July 10, 2020 in Manila, a massive fire burned the Santo Nino Parish Pandacan Church to ashes, taking with it significant images of our church and cultural heritage. We lost the image of the 400-year-old Santo Nino, originally found by children in the early 1600s. The fire also engulfed the 300-year-old convent and caused its entire second floor to fall to the ground. But while the chapel's wooden tabernacle burned, the brass ciborium containing the Blessed Sacrament survived. We believe this miracle is a message of new hope for Pandacanos and to all of God's faithful community whose faith is centered on the Santo Nino Parish Pandacan Church. God was, is, and always will be with us as we celebrate the 500 years of Christianity in the Philippines and for many generations to come. Help us rebuild our church. A year after the massive fire hit the Santo Nino Parish Pandacan Church, the new Archbishop of Manila, Jose Cardinal Advincula, together with Bishop Roderick Pabilio and Father Sunny Declaro, led the groundbreaking and site ceremony. We shall rise again from ashes. Sinubok man ng panahon at pinatatag ng maraming pagkakataon, ngunit unti-unting bumabangon. Sama-sama, tulong-tulong, bawat Pandakenyo sumigaw ng Viva Santo Niño!